Hello sir and everyone watching this. Myself Suraj Pati and my roll number is 21EC30050 and this is my CAD project, a shuttlecock. So I have made this project as follows. For making this white portion, I had constructed two perpendicular lines, this one having a length of 18 millimeters and this one having a length of 14 millimeters. For making this curve, I used the B-spline feature and then I used the revolve option to obtain this. For making this green portion, I had used the pad feature and this height is 6 millimeters. For making this conical portion, I first added a additive frustum, a additive cone, and then a subtractive cone to obtain this hollow frustum-like figure. Uh, for making these holes, I had used small cubes and placed them over a line, and then used the polar array feature to obtain them all over the conical surface. And then I used the Boolean operation to obtain these holes. For making these triangular grooves, first I used a similar logic. I used the cones here and placed them over the top surface by fixing appropriate coordinates. And then I used the same polar array feature to get them all over the surface. And then I used the Boolean operation. Then I used the fillet option to get these edges smooth, to smoothen these edges like this. So this is my CAD project. Now after exporting the STL file to Ultimeca Cura, we have that shuttlecock over here. Now as we can see, it is already of appropriate dimensions. So next coming to the print settings, as you can see the layer height is of 0.1 millimeters, the wall thickness is of 1 millimeters, and the infill density is 20%. As it is just a model for visual purpose, the printing temperature is 200 degrees centigrade. The build plate temperature is 60 degrees centigrade. The print speed is 59 millimeters per second. The fan speed is 100%. And the build plate adhesion type is brim. So now slicing it, we can see that the 3D printing time is 4 hours 57 minutes and the material required is 12 grams and the length of the wire is 1.54 meters. Thank you.